Selamat datang everybody, welcome to my tiny kitchen here at Pisang Susu. Today we're gonna make a really delicious glutinous rice cake and it's called Wingko Babat. The things you need for a Wingko Babat are 400 grams of caster sugar, 250 grams of ketan rice flour, 400 grams of coconut milk, 50 grams of butter, some sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, 1 egg, and 100 grams of grated coconut. You also need a baking dish that has the size of about 28 to 20 centimeters and some parchment paper. I'm gonna start by melting my butter. I whisk 1 egg, then I add the vanilla sugar. You can also use vanilla extract, salt, caster sugar. Whoops, not everything at once. In the meantime, my butter has melted and can be added as well. And of course the rest of the sugar. And you see the batter is really thin, and this is sticky rice flour or ketan flour. And I'm gonna add 1/3 of it and then scoop it through. I've heated up my oven to 160 degrees. And now I can add the batter to my dish. And you see it's quite runny still, and this is how it's supposed to be. Not too thick, otherwise your cake turns out really heavy, and it's already a heavy cake. You don't need to eat much of it. It's still delicious. Now I add some black sesame seeds because it's nice, the contrast in color, and well, it just looks beautiful. So this is it. This is how easy it is to make a Wingko Babat. Now pop it in the oven for about an hour, a little bit longer maybe. Just check if your cake is done and we can taste it. So here is my Wingko Babat. It has come out of the oven and it has cooled down already. I want to take off the parchment paper from the bottom. There you go. Nice and straight. It's quite sticky because it's sticky rice flour, and also because of the sugar. Now you can serve your Wingko in many ways. It's quite a heavy cake, I already told you. So that's why I always make tiny bits. And you can cut everything and then freeze it for later. Or serve it right away, of course. So here is my Wingko Babat. I cannot wait to taste it. You see it's crispy from the outside and nice and chewy like mochi from the inside. That's how it's supposed to be, so let's taste. Yeah, I like the crunchiness. It's really crunchy on top. And nice and sweet and sticky from the inside. The perfect Wingko Babat. Try it! Selamat makan!